We had a relationship with God. And God put Adam and Eve in the garden, and He said to them, go and work and till the garden and protect it. And He said, multiply. And He says, there's a tree there. There's two that He pointed out. There's a tree of life. He said, but there's also the tree of knowledge. And He says, from that one, you're not allowed to eat. Why did He say they should not eat? He said, if you eat from that fruit, you shall surely die. The moment they ate of the fruit, what happened? They fell down. They hit the forest. You just saw leaves blow. Most of it. Dead as the doornail. Nee. No. Huh? Now He said, if you eat from it, you shall certainly die. But they didn't die. You see, the death was not a physical death. It was a spiritual death. Because if you go to the previous verse, what did He do? And He breathed life into them. Spirit life. And when they sinned, that Holy Spirit life could no longer stay in an unholy body, and it withdrew. And they died in the spiritual sense. God was in them when He breathed His life into them. But when He had to withdraw, we read the most tragic verse in the Bible. Then the Lord called out to Adam and said to him, where are you? Because now He's no longer in them. Now He's calling out for them. And up to today, if you have not been born again from the Spirit, I'll get to that now. He's calling to you. I wish I knew each one of your name. Everybody here that has not been there yet. Peter, where are you? Joan, where are you? Paul, where are you? He's calling out today.